Hi everyone, Sierra here. I'm Cerule's Marketing and Communications Coordinator, and today I'm here to talk to you all about Cerule Pay. We are going to chat about how you can activate your Cerule Pay account, how you can access your commissions, how you can navigate your Cerule Pay online, and how you can order your prepaid Visa debit card. Let's jump into it. Let's take a look at what your activation email will look like. So we have this email from Cerule Pay. It looks like you have had a wallet that's been created, and now we can click on the blue button to activate your account. This will then take you to the Cerule Pay website where you can activate your account using your phone number or your IBO customer ID number. So you can type in your IBO ID number and click continue. This will take you to your account profile page. Here you can enter all of your account information, such as your first name, last name, your birthday, phone number, address. Once you add in all of this information, you can continue to the next page by clicking the green continue button at the very bottom. Next, you will set up all of your account details. Just confirm that your email address is correct, your password. Make sure to write this down, that way you don't forget it. And you can also type in security questions as well. Once you have chosen your security questions, you must agree to Hyperwallet's legal agreements, which can be found at the bottom of the page. You can just check both of these boxes and click the confirm button. Great. Now your account is created. The first thing that we want to take a look at, and probably the most important thing for you, is your funds that you have available. So on this left-hand side, you can see all of the available commissions that you have in your Cerule Pay account. There's also a section right here on the home page where you can request a physical prepaid Visa debit card. This card will be loaded with all of your commissions that you earn from Cerule. You can use this physical card to shop at malls, to add gas to your car, you can purchase groceries, or you can even cash out at different ATMs. So to request your very own physical prepaid Visa debit card, you can click this green continue button, walk through all of the steps and make sure your shipping address is correct. That way it gets delivered right to your front doorstep. And what a great marketing tool this Cerule branded Visa card is for your business. Every time you hand your Cerule prepaid Visa debit card to a retailer, you'll be promoting your Cerule business. To order your physical card, please note there is a one-time fee. Next, we will talk about how you can transfer your funds through PayPal, Venmo, or even your bank account. Simply select the option that you'd like to use, click the green continue button, and add in all of your banking information or PayPal credentials as well. As you can see here, if you decide to add your bank account to your Cerule Pay account, you can add your routing number, account number. Now let's look at the history tab. Here you can see all of your transaction history, where you can see any deposits or withdrawals that you've made on your Cerule Pay account. You can view the dates, the description of the transaction, plus the dollar amount that has been added or withdrawn from your Cerule Pay commissions. Next, we'll review the Resources tab. Here you can view a Getting Started guide, your Security Center, any applicable fees. Please make sure to review the Fees section to view any applicable fees that may apply to your Cerule Pay account. And you can call Hyperwallet for their support staff. Finally, you can review the Settings section, where you can change your profile information such as address and phone number. You can also review your security settings, where you can review your password and security questions. And you can also change your account preferences, such as language, etc. Once you've activated your Cerule Pay account, you can then go into your Cerule back office, and I'll actually show you how you can use your commissions to make Cerule product purchases. I'm actually running low on brochures, so I'm gonna add those to my cart today. We can proceed to checkout. This section will show you where you can use your Cerule Pay to pay for your new order. So you'll check out just like normal when you're placing your order, and then you'll see on the right hand side that you can pay with Cerule Pay as your payment method. It'll show you your available balance, and you can select that, and you can place your order from there. For any questions regarding the Cerule Pay online system or any prepaid Visa debit card questions, please contact Hyperwallet support. Happy shopping, and we'll see you at the mall!